all-wheel drive, AWD, Elite Equipment Group, loaded, navigation, backup camera, panoramic vista roof, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, plush heated and cooled leather interior, blind spot monitoring system, power liftgate, sync voice activated Bluetooth system, and much more. Lincoln certified pre-owned program, meticulous 200-point inspection by factory trained technicians, the confidence of a 6-year/100,000-mile comprehensive warranty coverage, complimentary 24/7 roadside assistance, the assurance of a vehicle history report, and much more. Luxurious by standards, certified by ours. 200-point inspection vehicle history report 24/7 roadside assistance warranty deductible, $100 comprehensive warranty, 72-month/100,000 whichever comes first, from original in-service date includes car rental and trip interruption reimbursement with any questions. And to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include gut-oft, tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.